Pag niyaya po kayo ni Coco for Batang Quiapo,
Oy, anytime. Anak ko yun eh.
laban.
Wag lang bold, payag. Pero hindi, on second thought, dream ko yun eh, maging bold. Nakakatuwa si Coco. Noong pa niya sinasabi, Mami, basta pagka ano gusto ko yung magandang-maganda. So, bahala siya. Ako naman, basta tawagin nila ni Julia, anytime, kahit di ko pa nakikita, oo ako.
Si
Galing
Shana.
nila eh.
Correct,
Coco is a genius. I mean, in the real sense of the word. I have never worked with someone. I was so amazed in Provinciano. Pinapanood ko siya. Mag-shoot kaming eksena. Lahat kami kasama yung Agila, all-star cast. The guy was narrating the dialogue of each star to his assistants. He had two assistants writing down what he was saying. Then he would go, si Michael sabi ganito, si General sabi ganito, si Lolo ganito. Tapos, o camera mo, close-up niya to. Tapos acting siya, rehearsal to. Ikot siya. O tapos shot dito, medium, tas ganyan. Tapos isang mo. Sabi ko, oh my God. O, parang, kasi siya nagsusulat, siya ang direktor, tas artista siya. I have never in my whole life seen someone who was such a genius at what he was doing. And this happened every single day.
On the spot.
On the spot. Or he would, kunyari, after taping, after he had a full taping day, he would have a meeting with his staff. And dictate po kasi ito yung dialogue, ito yung ganito, ito yung ganito. Ay, ako artista lang, hilong-hilo na ako sa ginagawa ko. Parang, oh my God, talagang si Coco, I bow to him in respect and admiration. Super. Once in a lifetime. Sorry, the only other person I know who was like that was FPJ.
Correct.
But he already had his own script writers. He just really, amended some, revised some. That was fine. But he was still directing, acting. But Coco was so, oh my God, hands-on.